Grant here.
Erika.
Welcome to Snowmax Performance, the YouTube channel. Just going to take a second to kind of reintroduce us since we've been making videos for a long time, but now we're going to put even more effort into it and produce some more content for you guys. But yeah, a little backstory for me. Audi technician by day, got involved in watercross about 4 years ago and started to do as much as I can in-house now. Along the journey getting into the sport, figured out there was really nothing on the internet, even though this isn't a watercross build, but generally for our channel, trying to introduce as much stuff as we can because we want to grow this sport and keep it around for as long as we can. But yeah, so stay tuned today. We're going to be tearing apart two motors. This is a watercross motor that's blown up, and then Erika's turbo sled build over here.
So I'm Erika. I also started watercross around the same time Grant did. We've been racing for 4 years now. We're going on our 5th year, so that's super exciting. Basically, how I got into all this stuff, growing up, my dad was a mechanic, so I always watched him work on stuff. About the time 16 years old, that's when I built my first dirt bike, so I'm a dirt biker at heart. We did have a question, why number 218? So I'm 218 because that's actually the first dirt bike I ever got. It's a funny story. It came in a box, and on the plastics was 218. I built it with my dad. So I figured, you know what? I'm number 218, so we're just going to keep it as that. And apparently it's like a northern, what is it?
It's the area code for Duluth.
Yeah, a lot of people like that. But I'm going to keep it and keep the number. But yeah, and then as I met Grant, he got me into, more of the two-stroke engines, snowmobile engines. I never had even touched a snowmobile engine until I met him. So I'm very thankful that he has taught me what he did.
Started out dirt biking all the time. That was our big hobby.
Right.
We used to do that even all winter long too, riding at the sandbox and everything too. And always ridden snowmobiles, but I never dived in deep, into a racing aspect of it. So that's been super fun. So we just got more involved in snowmobiling, but whatever. We still have a dirt bike track. We still have dirt bikes. It's not. Neither of us ever really raced at all or anything. But
no, I raced some fair races.
Stay tuned for some 850 teardown content. So we got the Crash Toys special over here, Erika's turbo sled build. I think it has somewhere between 1,500 to 2,000 miles on it. Who knows? But anything that you buy used, especially Crash, you want to go through. So that's why she's getting a full build on that. And then Erika actually blew this motor up in the middle of the summer too, so she'll have to insert a clip of that. She locked up real hard, bore scoped it, something's cracked in there, so I had to investigate. No bueno. I was just waiting to tear this one down, and might as well do it at the same time as this one, and make Erika do everything herself, but obviously I'm here to help too, so this will be fun. Definitely some metal in there.
Is there?
Yeah. Is this thing live?
Yeah, it's live.
No bueno. I think she got hot. What did we find so far?
Well, piston's not looking too hot. Cylinders. Oh no.
Had no compression.
This explains why there's 5 psi.
There is the crack right there.
Where? Oh yeah.
Big yikes.
That is a cylinder failure.
Something got a little hot.
Yeah. I gotta keep reminding Grant that we have mics on and that he doesn't have to yell anymore. So if you guys see me, it's because Grant's yelling.
Hey, do the best I can here.
But yeah,
yeah, we'll keep tearing it down. This one's obviously going to go quicker because all the electronics got swapped when we swapped that motor really quick. But this one will be fun for Erika, though, fully dressed, fresh out of the old chassis, which is actually coming along pretty good.
Tonight, it's all about me.
Every day's about you.
Can you take this off? Should we check it out? I'm scared.
It's going to be fine. This thing still had good compression.
Should I turn the crank?
Sure.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Looking good.
It's looking good on my side. A little bit of, no, that's not wear. It's just a little bit of like heat from the piston, but it just sounds dry.
Dry.
Yeah, it's squeaky dry.
Lubrication is key. That's never good. No dryness.
Listen. Can you hear it on my microphone? Oh, I got my hair. It got my hair.
Can't bring you anywhere.
Oh, no. All right, cool. Got that part done. Next.
Gonna need so the next thing you're gonna want to pull off is you pull these power valves, and then we can pull the Y pipe off.
Okay.
So these are gonna use a straight Allen in the box or a ball.
Okay. And then is it just these ones? I don't have to touch these, right?
No, yeah, that's inside of the power valve. It just slides out as an assembly.
Okay. Sounds squad.
Oh yeah. Big yikes.
Ooh, what? I don't even want to know.
Ooh, piston cracked. That's what happened.
The piston cracked? Oh, shoot.
She got a little hot. Another one. A little piston eater. Not the first time Erika's done that, but
I can make a Christmas tree of pistons. Literally.
No good. Well, anybody need a nice cup holder?
Yeah.
Cracked the whole water jacket too. Might even filled a little bit with coolant when it happened, but it locked up completely. Just got good GoPro footage of that one.
Yeah, I will definitely.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna re-nickel these ones.
No, I think that's going in the scrap pile. Remember when I ran the Weiscos and they lasted one ride?
Yep.
We're only running those in dirt bikes.
If you're building a watercross sled, put OEM pistons in it, unless you have to run something different.
Right.
Word of advice. Shout out to all the Gen 4s that blew up nonstop this year with aftermarket pistons.
Oh yeah, we have big news. Our buddy Mike Wamsley, who just built his Gen 4 watercross sled, he had very bad luck this year. Could not get it to finish even one lap. So, and he's brought it everywhere, asked a bunch of questions, done all he could.
He did some laps.
He did.
Just wasn't reliable.
Competitively, I felt bad. So he just got a Polaris, and we're really excited about that. Was it a 2020 Chaos, or what is it, Grant? 2021? 850?
I think it's a 2020. I don't know.
It's all blacked out.
Just needs to be an 850, and you're good to go.
We're excited for him.
Had to put some gloves on because I keep touching my shirt, and colors. Any shirt other than black is bad for me. Might have to freaking pound this unit out.
I can't believe the piston broke.
Yeah, I think this is seized in there. You're going to have to hold this, and I'm going to have to give her a little onion. Any movements?
Does she get warm? It's moving. You're good. Keep going.
We freed her.
It's not moving anymore.
Heat it up a little.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. It's moving. It's moving.
Here.
This poor crank.
They got hot. Don't worry, the crank's getting balanced.
Was it Northern Crankshaft?
Oh, yeah.
Grant has a new sponsor, which is really exciting. So thank you, Northern Crankshaft. You met them at Heydays?
Mm-hmm.
When did you meet them? Like the last day we were there?
Yeah, I bought some parts from them.
Now you guys are like Snapchat friends and all this stuff? What am I missing? Why isn't this coming off? Do you have to take these off?
No.
No? It'll come off?
You shouldn't have to pry it.
Okay, you can tell that these never came off. They don't even want to move. Oh, I should have put gloves on. Now I want to touch my face. Thank you.
Non-blown up side. Comes right out. Less aggressive looking too. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you got a blown up piston that got a little warm. Time to pull some reeds.
Yeah, it's a 6. These were loose.
What's loose?
These are loose. They're not even like...
Well, if they're not
I don't know.
tight, they're loose.
And my hair keeps staticking in my face.
You just got a lot going on.
No, like literally, these
Can't
are all
even.
loose. Like, they weren't even tight. What in the heck? I need a power tool.
Got some juice.
There we go. So much better. Gosh, over here working with hand tools.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay. Next.
Just make sure you kind of rotate in a cross pattern. So, yep. I hit one of those two over here. Not bad, not bad. Piston's still looking in really good shape. It's good. Cases are just very dirty.
So what's the plan here? What should we do?
What do you mean?
Oh, are we getting the cranks balanced?
Yes.
This crank balanced?
But
Okay.
just
So we're
down
taking
to
it all down.
nothing.
Okay.
How are we doing?
Good. My finger's just not long enough.
Oh yeah, well, got this baby Teardown real quick. Wasn't much to it, but definitely had a little piston failure, that's for dang sure. Ouch. No bueno. But yeah, get this crank all gone through, rebuild everything, become another good spare. Erika's working away over here too. on the old turbo project.
Oh my. Look how white that is. It's not supposed to look like that.
That's how it comes when it's brand new.
Really? Normally they're silver. I thought that, I don't know. Don't listen to me.
Here's some new ones too. But yeah. Keep tearing her apart here. Erika's favorite part.
Actually, this is okay. It's putting them on that sucks. But it's also not very easy when my hair's over. What was it?
Hot mess.
Well, it doesn't help when the pick is, look at them. Really?
That's a 90-degree pick.
Look at the end of it.
Yeah, it's good. You gotta cater to the bend.
Yeah, it keeps slipping. Let me.
You want me to do it?
A little bend, but I think this will be a little better.
Just let me know when you need help.
You'll know when I give up. But I got the other one out just fine, so.
You just have to get the corner popped up, and then you kind of roll it out. And like, it's basically the way she goes. Oh. And you can put your thumb up kind of over the clip so it doesn't jump, and then just walk it up a little bit. There we go. Look at that.
Hey.
Nice.
So we verified that they're both wet. See any?
All right, flywheel, stator, magneto.
Yeah, you gotta take that out. That's the fun part.
We?
Oh, I gotta take that out. Isn't there a tool to remove it?
Yeah, but you're not at that point yet.
Oh. Alright, that part's off. Now you gotta take the magneto off. Okay.
That's neato.
That tool is it over here in this box?
What do you think Grant already did? Pre-pulled it.
Oh, shoot! Look at that! It's like magic.
You know how to operate one of these?
Been one before. I've been one do that before, Natalie. Holding?
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
My cosmetology gloves are not.
Those are less than ideal. You need these thick guys. Get a pair of these orange ones.
These are like exam room gloves.
I put a pair of those on outside. They instantly ripped this morning. Yep.
That's why I was like, why is there a pair of gloves in our bathroom in the trash?
Yep. I just put them back in my pocket.
Well, they're mediums. They're made for my hands.
Whatever. I was just trying to get a pair of gloves so they can get covered in transmission fluid.
All right, ready, Freddie?
All right. Now you're going to want to pull this off. Don't push it down. There you go. Look at that.
All right, friends, and that's how you do that. This handy dandy tool, it's from Starting Line Products, SLP, Polar Flywheel.
That's it. That's a universal one. So that works on, used on a bunch of skidoos too. There's also a Polaris specific one, but I just like this one more.
It also looks like you got from Dennis Kirk.
I did. Yep.
Shout out Dennis Kirk. This is when a headlight would come in handy, or a headlamp. Did you skip? Oh, nice. Dude, you're full of magic today.
I am. Love me a nice, good headlight. Call this the illumination station.
Okay.
So you still got to pull.
That bracket.
Well, the actual stator off. Those are just the pickup coils.
Okay.
This
There's some
one.
coolant in there still too.
Yeah, I can grab the mighty vac.
Look at that static, dude.
Huh?
Oh, I got this. Thanks.
Turn it sideways a little bit. There you go.
Sweet. Oh. This tool comes in very handy. This is called the Mighty Vac. Sucks out liquids, and it also helps us if we sink our watercross sleds. We take out all the oil with it. Residual gas, bunch of things.
It's a good all-around tool.
Right. We use this all the time. Just hook it up to the air hose and suck it out. I did not realize.
You're learning.
Well, like I knew that, but I didn't realize that was this.
Nah, you've taken this apart before. You got one more mount over here, and then you could pull the 10 off there.
She's a 10. She's a 10. Shawty is a teen. A teen.
I can do your water pump, which is 8, which is on that gun over there if you want.
Hello. Yeah, I'm scared. Okay. Good.
Water pump was leaking too.
Nice. So how do you fix that? Why was it leaking from right there?
Maybe the seals are bad.
Shouldn't this move? Or no?
Unless coolant was running down here.
That's probably it. Is there a certain way that I have to take these out, or can I just
Yeah, so you're going to want to stagger
alternate?
it a bunch. Yep.
Boop, 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 boop. Okay.
Make sure you're down good.
And just take it all the way.
Sure. Go here. Nice. Now you remember where all these go, right?
Yep. I remember that there is a torque pattern, and they also. Oh, I gotta sneeze.
God bless.
Thank you. That was a good one. Let's see if I can.
Oh, yeah.
Well, at least we got one motor that looks decent. I'm holding. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right. 2 engines. 2 engines torn apart. One looking not so hot. The other one looking
Just needs a refresh.
decent.
All right, well, thanks for staying along if you're still here at the end of the video. But yeah, I got both these 850s all tore down. Erika's motor, I guess both of them are technically Erika's motor, but yeah, the one that had a catastrophic failure and one that's just getting freshened up. But get these babies back together with some fresh parts. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for some more watercross, snowmobile shenanigans, or whatever's going down at the Snowmax Performance Garage.
Peace.